Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting so that you never do this. A couple of weeks ago, they brought us a mini one to the workshop. This one you see here, which had a power loss problem. The owner told us to see if we would put in the diagnostic machine only, that he would be in charge of solving the problem. We said yes, we would charge him for putting in the machine, and he took the car. And that's what we did. We put the diagnosis machine in. The map sensor failed. I insisted. I told him, this can be solved by cleaning it. And if it is not solved by cleaning it, then we would have to change it. Put a new one. But the owner didn't want to. As I say, we charged him to put in the diagnosis machine, and he left with his car. And now he has returned again after 2 weeks to the workshop because he hasn't been able to solve the problem. Look how he tried to solve the problem. I had never seen this before. That is the map sensor. That is the map sensor connector. As you can see, it shines. What has occurred to the owner of this car? Lubricate the connector and the sensor with oil. Let's see. It is true that it is not going to produce a short circuit. It is not going to cause a short circuit because you already know that oil is not a conductor of electricity. But the problem here is that the oil creates an insulating layer between the pins and the connector itself, and they do not make good contact. That is, what this does is worsen the situation. Look, now we take out the map sensor. When I take it out, there you can see that it is a little dirty inside. He also poured oil inside. I mean, imagine what a disaster. He even damaged the sensor gasket. In this case, what we have done was order a new sensor. Look how the oil is inside and out. There you see it. Everything is impregnated with oil. Who would think of that? We asked him and he told us, no, I have a friend who told me that this can be solved like this. I tell him, change your friends. Or don't let your friend touch the car because really, he could have caused a bigger breakdown. And then, let's see if the friend pays him for the cost of the breakdown. There you also see that the gasket of the map sensor was visible. There you see that the gasket is damaged. As I say, don't do these things. This is cleaned with a MAF sensor cleaner, the kind that doesn't leave residue, or an electrical contact cleaner, but it is never lubricated with oil. Well, here you have the short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.